Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best beginner drones for 10-year-old in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is hand-operated drone for kids Scoot Helicopter, best drone for younger kids. As you're looking through drones, you might get frustrated with all of the remote and phone requirements. Isn't there a simple toy drone for young kids so they can feel like they're getting in on the drone action? Something with a simple remote option for kids? How about no remote? This drone line helicopter toy, which has the memorable name, Scoot, is perfect for younger children. Think ages 3+, but it can even be a fun gift for older kids. While it's not necessarily as interactive as the picture-snapping drones we're used to seeing, this drone-like toy is a great secondary option for kids too young to handle complex remotes. Actually, it's so simple all they'd need is their hand to get it going. With a light toss in the air, this cute toy can fly around with hand guidance for about 8 minutes. It has a shorter charging time than most flying toys and drones, usually less than an hour, and it is durable and safe for smaller hands. As a quick warning, this is an inside toy. Taking it outside could result in the toy drone rising out of reach and far away. Keeping it inside is completely safe and recommended, and so long as your excited younger child isn't leaping off couches to catch it, you'll have no issue with Scoot. Number 2. Our second best pick is Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone easy to fly. If you're looking for a simplified drone which your child can get the hang of in a matter of minutes and which has a good warranty, we've got you covered. The Potensic A20 mini drone, upgraded, is a fun, colorful option with a very simple remote control and obviously drone-like propellers, which tend to mesmerize kids. It's easily portable, can be maneuvered very easily, and has 2 batteries for twice as long flight time. If your son or daughter is interested in a simple drone with no confusing camera or fancy buttons to worry about, this is a great drone for a great price on Amazon. The need-to-knows include: recommended age. The manufacturer suggests users ages 8 and up, although it is extremely easy to explain the controls to children 6 or so years old. This is a great starting option for kids who are interested in drones but not naturally tech-savvy. No camera. No camera is included with this simplified drone option for children. Easy controls make for a smooth, fun experience for children who don't want to memorize buttons for a new toy. Flight time. About 5 minutes or so. It also charges quickly, usually taking around 45 minutes to fully charge before being ready to fly once more. This is great for younger kids who don't want to wait an hour to an hour and a half. Number 3. Our third best pick is Holy Stone Mini Drone for kids and beginners. For the price and the overall product quality, this fourth option is excellent for kids who are interested in drones, but don't necessarily need the protective, crash-proof, and circular design of option number 3. This mini drone is perfect for taking on trips or using in houses. It has 3 batteries for extended flight time, easy instructions, and great protection. While it's not as advanced as some of the later drones in this list, it's great for ages 8+. Furthermore, this miniature drone can fit in the palm of your hand, perfect for smaller 8-year-olds, and has some fantastic reviews. It's tons of fun, plus the remote control is remarkably easy to use. With a solid design and extended flight times, your child will have lots of opportunities to experience the thrill of drone piloting at a beginner stage. Here's a quick breakdown for you. No camera. This mini drone doesn't have a camera built in or included. The bells and whistles mainly consist of 360-degree turns, the easy-to-use remote, and great control. It is extremely easy to get the hang of for younger children after a couple of practices. Flight time. Flight time is estimated to be about 7 minutes, and that's after a charge time of 40 to 60 minutes. Main highlight. Easy remote, extendable flight time. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is UFO mini drones for kids, UFO 3000 LED. Some kids are more interested in sleek-looking drones than others. Some drones come chic, shiny, and with complex-looking remotes, and others are simplified and fun for kids. This drone is a great in-between mix for kids who are interested in drones that can do stunts. Equipped with LED lights and a 360-degree flip button, this drone is easy to get the hang of and comes with some fantastic features, such as the altitude hold or headless mode. From bright lights, which create glow trails at night, to a video game-like controller, which is easy to get the hang of, your child will enjoy this interesting option. You can find some great reviews for this drone, as well as plenty of questions answered about it. Curious about the details? Here are the specs. No camera. With 360-degree flips, engaging light trails and design, and a fun, easy remote, you can understand why this drone didn't need a camera added onto all of its features and selling points. Control. The remote control has several controls and toggles, which might be a little confusing for younger children at the forefront, but can be easily learned. The toggles do have interesting tips, but kids seem to enjoy the design flight time. After getting a full charge, which generally takes 70 to 85 minutes, this drone is meant to fly for 7 to 9 minutes. Main highlight. LED lights, easy to use. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is SGOTARC drone with dual 720p HD 2MP cameras. This sleek quadcopter drone has a 720-pixel camera and plenty of 5-star reviews. It also has 360-degree rolling turns and a durable frame. With this high-resolution camera, you can fly for up to 10 minutes, capturing footage and pictures like never before. Children just branching into their new hobby of photography will be thrilled by a quadcopter like this. With a similar price range to option 6 and a black, modern look, this drone actually comes with 2 cameras and lots of pairing options. Here are the basics. Camera. There are 2 cameras included with this drone. One is at the front and another is centered below the drone for unique, picturesque perspectives. Each camera is a 720p HD quality camera. The quadcopter can also be connected to 3 DVR headsets. Control. This drone comes with a small remote and is mainly controlled via smartphone. It also comes with Follow Me mode, a great and entertaining option for younger children who love it when the drone follows and records them. Flight time. The battery charge time is around 90 minutes, while flight time is generally 10, depending on wind conditions or recording. Main highlight. 2 cameras, Follow Me mode, so grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.